वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हम लोगों का एग्ज़ाम नज़दीक आ गया है, यानी कि फाइनल एग्ज़ाम दिसंबर में होने वाला है। तो हम सोचे कि क्यों ना रिवीजन किया जाए, जिससे कि मेरा भी फ़ायदा हो और मेरे दोस्त लोग को भी फ़ायदा मिले, और जो नर्सिंग कर रहे हैं जिसका एग्ज़ाम दिसंबर में यानी कि फाइनल एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, तो उसको भी लाभ मिले। तो आइए हम लोग रिवीजन करते हैं। क्योंकि देखिए, हम लोग किताब उल्टाते हैं, मतलब उसमें टाइम बर्बाद होता है। पेज नंबर खोजते हैं, फिर क्वेश्चन टिक मारते हैं, फिर याद करते हैं। तो हम रिवीजन के दौरान आप लोगों को टाइम बचा रहे हैं। मतलब आप लोगों को किताब नहीं उल्टाना है। मतलब मैं जो वीडियो डालूंगा, मेरे वीडियो देख के आप लोग रिवीजन कर सकते हैं। मतलब टाइम बचेगा, आप लोगों को किताब उल्टाने का कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है। हम जितना क्वेश्चन हम लोग पढ़ेंगे वही क्वेश्चन एग्ज़ाम में आने वाला है। मतलब उससे एक भी क्वेश्चन बाहर नहीं आएगा। हम लोग जितना क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्ज़ाम में, सभी क्वेश्चन को बना डालेंगे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग रिवीजन। सभी मिलकर रिवीजन करेंगे और हम गारंटी देते हैं कि एक भी क्वेश्चन जितना हम डालेंगे वीडियो, आप लोग वीडियो को देखिएगा और रिवीजन करिएगा। एक भी क्वेश्चन जितना हम क्वेश्चन डालेंगे उससे एक भी बाहर नहीं पूछेगा। मतलब हम लोग सभी क्वेश्चन बना के आएंगे। बस हम लोगों को 100% एफर्ट देना है, वीडियो को देखना है। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट जरूर करिएगा। मेडिसिन इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन 2024। इससे लिस्ट द कॉमन साइकियाट्रिक इमरजेंसीज, डिस्क्राइब नर्सिंग मैनेजमेंट फॉर एन अटेम्प्टेड सुसाइड पेशेंट। Definition: A psychiatric emergency is an acute disturbance of thought, mood, behavior of a patient which causes sudden distress to the individual या others and sudden disability or death, thus requiring immediate management. Type of psychiatric emergencies: major emergencies, minor emergencies और medical emergencies. Major emergencies: attempted suicide or violence, aggression. Minor emergencies: stupor, substance intoxication and withdrawal, panic attacks, hysterical attacks, transient situational disturbances, epileptic furor, rape victim or victim of disaster. Medical emergencies: neuroleptic malignant syndrome, serotonin syndrome, overdose of common psychiatric medication. Attempted suicide. Suicide is a type of deliberate self-harm defined as an intentional human act of killing oneself. Violence, aggression. Anger is a normal human emotion. Stupor. Stupor is a clinical syndrome of akinesis and mutism, but with relative preservation of conscious awareness. Substance intoxication and withdrawal. Alcohol, cocaine and phencyclidine are the substances that most commonly lead to violent behavior. Panic attack. Episode of acute anxiety and panic can occur as a part of psychotic or neurotic illness. Hysterical attacks. A hysteric may mimic abnormality of any function which is under voluntary control. Victim of disaster. Victim of disaster are people who have survived from an unexpected. Rape victim. Rape is an unlawful sexual intercourse or other form of sexual penetration carried out against a person without their consent. Neuroleptic malignant syndrome. Neuroleptic malignant syndrome is a rare but most serious of the symptoms. Serotonin syndrome. Serotonin syndrome. It occurs when serotonergic agents are used in combination with MAOI inhibitors. Drug toxicity. Drug overdoses may be accidental or suicidal. Risk factor for suicide: previous suicide attempts, history of substance abuse, physical disability or illness, losing a friend or family member to suicide, ongoing exposure to bullying behavior, mental health condition, recent death of a family member or close friend, access to harmful means, relationship problems, management of attempted suicide in the patient, access for vital sign, check airway and clear it is necessary. If pulse is weak, start IV fluids, turn patient's head and neck to one side to prevent regurgitation and swallowing of vomitus. Emergency measures to be instituted in case of self-inflicted injuries. Then next question, occupational therapy. Explain suggested occupational therapies for psychiatric patient. Occupational therapy is the application of goal-oriented, purposeful activity in the assessment and treatment of individual with psychological, physical or developmental disabilities. Goal. The main goal is to enable the patient achieve a healthy balance of occupations through the development of skills that will allow him to function to a level satisfactory to himself and others. Settings. Occupational therapy is provided to children, adolescents, adult and elderly patients. These programs are offered in psychiatric hospital, nursing home, rehabilitation centers, special school, community group homes, community mental health centers, day care centers, halfway homes and de-education centers. Advantage. Help to develop social skills and provide an outlet for self-expression. Second, strengths, ego defenses. Type of activities, diversional activities or therapeutic activities. Diversional activities. These activities are used to divert one's thoughts from life stresses or to fill time, for example, organized games. Therapeutic activities. These activities are used to attain a specific care plan or goal, for example, basket making or carpentry, etc. Next, process of intervention. It consists of 6 stages. First, initial evaluation of what patient can do and cannot do in a variety of situations over a period of time. Second, development of immediate and long-term goal by the patient and therapist together. Third, development of therapy plan with planned intervention. Fourth, implementation of the plan and monitoring the progress. And fifth, review meetings with patient and all the staff involved in treatment. 6. Setting further goal than immediate goal have been achieved, modifying the treatment program as relevant. And next, suggested occupational activities for psychiatric disorders. Anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorder, simple concrete task with no more than 3 or 4 steps that can be learned quickly. For example, kitchen task, washing, sweeping and mopping. Depressive disorder, simple concrete tasks which are achievable. It is important for the patient to experience success. For example, crafts, mowing lawn and weeding gardens. Manic disorder, non-competitive activities that allow the use of energy and expression of feelings, for example, raking grass or sweeping, etc. Schizophrenia, simple concrete task in which patient is actively involved, for example, metal work, molding, Kali, etc. And then next, antisocial personality, activities that enhance self-esteem and are expressive and creative but not too complicated, for example, leather work or painting, etc. Dementia, group activities to improve feeling of belongingness and self-worth, for example, cover masking or packing goods, etc. Substance abuse, group activities in which patient uses his talents, for example involving patient in planning social activities, children playing, storytelling, painting, poetry, music, etc. Adolescents, creative activities such as leatherwork or drawing or painting. Mental retardation, repetitive work assignments are ideal, provide positive reinforcement after each achievement, for example cover masking, candle masking or packaging goods, etc.